Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT P50 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and now we should get the Ampere application from here. That's why in the search pool enter Ampere, and then we should get this application. Let's wait just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that we just should open the application, click here yes I agree, tap to close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the information with the temperature of with the health of our device battery, and in my case that's good. Also we can find here more info like the battery level, temperature, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.